Today I'm going to show you how to change out the turn signal on a 2012 Ford Focus. So you open the trunk, you come in here, you can pull up on this. This cover will come right off. There's these things here that you would unscrew. The one up here. And what you can do is you can pull off the entire tail assembly. Now, you could use this to replace the entire taillight assembly, or if you needed to, you can change out each of the light bulbs. So if I wanted to change out the light bulb, come here, twist counterclockwise, and I pull out the bulb. This bottom bulb is going to be your brake light. This top bulb is going to be used for your turn signal. So if you want to change out the turn signal, all you're going to do, you can see here, just need to pull that straight out. When putting new bulbs in, I would always suggest using something other than just your skin, because you do have oils on your skin, and they can make bulbs fail prematurely. For your turn signal, again, you can inspect it, make sure that there's no dark spots or anything like that. And if you want, make sure you wear gloves. Don't get any oil on the bulb itself. If you do, sometimes they burn out, especially if you had like headlights and they were halogen or something along those lines. So to get this out, I'm going to gently just kind of move back and forth until it comes free. Now, when you get the new bulb, what you're going to want to do is take this and snap it back in place, like so. Now, once you replace your bulbs, take the tail light assembly, and you'll match up these grooves with the grooves that are in here, and then we're going to have to just turn it clockwise. Just go clockwise, and it snaps into place. Same thing goes with this tail light. Push it in. Once it goes in, turn clockwise, and it's locked in place. Then all you have to do is place the tail light assembly back in place. There's effectively 3 pins you have to line up. One here, there's a pin back here. You're just going to screw these back together. Come up to the other one where we took it out. Screw that one back in as well. And again, these just need to be finger tight. Now you're going to get your cover. You're going to take that, slide that up, snap it back into place. And with that, that's how you replace your tail light and your turn signal on the rear of the Ford Focus SLE. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.